Both the Lightshark LS1 as well as the LS Core, which I have here, can be controlled remotely via MIDI. This can allow you to really inexpensively get started with the Lightshark platform and have a set of faders like this Korg Nano Control for very inexpensively connected to your LS Core. But how does it work and how do we set it up? In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to connect this up, download the template, and begin controlling your LS Core with a Korg Nano Control or another MIDI controller that you may have around. First things first, we'll check and make sure our MIDI template is already inside the Lightshark. You can find the MIDI templates by simply going to the menu, heading into the settings, and then going to the MIDI and OSC tab. Press load and you'll see all of the MIDI templates that are in there by default, as well as any additional ones you've customized or loaded yourself. In the latest version of the software, a lot of MIDI templates are preloaded, so this is a great choice. If the MIDI controller you have is not available, you can request them through WorkPro support or modify existing ones for your own use based on the commands in the user manual. Now let's connect our MIDI controller. I'm just going to go ahead to the USB port on the LS Core. It's labeled host and it's the only one. And plug in the cable that came with my MIDI controller. Now I'll plug in my MIDI controller with the other end and we'll be rolling. Once you're connected and fully powered up, you are then able to go into the software, load the MIDI map by heading into the menu and to the MIDI section and then pressing load. Choose the MIDI map that goes with your device. For me, it's the Korg Nano Control 2. And you'll see that your MIDI device is connected and it should also show up in this field. Awesome! Once you're connected, it really is as simple as heading over to the virtual console, in this case for the Korg Nano Control, moving a fader, and watching it move on the screen. Of course, as I mentioned before, these MIDI templates are customizable, so be sure to check out the manual if you're interested in that. And also, be sure to check out other MIDI controllers, such as Novation Launchpad or other button grid type controllers that allow you to get control of the executor buttons as well as the main faders.